You can expect a lot from the 2019 Honda Pilot. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. This model accommodates 8 passengers comfortably and provides features such as delay-off headlights, a tachometer, heated seats, front and rear air conditioning, skid plates, and a split folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.